Hello, I'm Kadohira from National Institute for Materials Science in Japan. Today, I'd like to introduce the material data platform that we are building and explain that NIMS aims to manage data based on fair principles. In recent research on materials, research that utilizes data that incorporates machine learning has attracted a great deal of attention. NIMS is institutionally promoting the incorporation of materials informatics. However, research that makes use of data is not so easy to carry out. To do so, it is necessary to accumulate data on a daily basis and keep it in a managed state, which means to add metadata to the data so that it can be searched from various points of view and to cleanse the data itself to be described in the same manner so that it can be used easily and speedily by using computers. NIMS established the Data Platform Center 4 years ago. This Data Platform Center is expected to play central roles in data management in basic materials research. To do so, this centralized management, we have envisioned the system called a Material Data Platform. The data platform has been designed so that unified management can be carried out to be along with 4 stages of data lifecycle. At the Material Research Center, data is generated through experimental equipment and computer simulation programs. We are developing a system adding automatically or semi-automatically as much metadata as possible where data is generated. For the automation, we use information not only from the references of the data generators, but also relationships with another data. The various generated data is sent to a system called Research Data Management (RDM) system, where it is given a unique ID and stored in a unified manner. If you manage this unique ID in your research activities, you can always get to the data stored on RDM. Under this management infrastructure, data is called, integrated, and analyzed to generate a new higher order data, which is stored again in RDM. This is a use case for utilization. Eventually, each researcher's recent research activity results in the form of a paper. Recently, of course, there is a growing demand for not only publishing these papers, but also publishing its supplemental data. The Material Data Repository MDR, in short, is a system that supports such publication in the Material Data Platform. The data registered in the MDR can get DOI, which is a global unique identifier so that the data can be searched from all over the world. Each system experienced so far is built independently, and the most important point of our data platform is that it is designed to work together to support the data management throughout the data lifecycle. I would like to explain about that. We call the system that plays the role of binding each system under cooperation as the core system. The following describes the 4 linkage functions provided by the core system. The first feature is user management and single sign-on. Users are managed in the core system so that they are commonly recognized by all systems. It also has a single sign-on function. This allows the entire material data platform to be held to the user as if it were a single system. This feature ensures a minimum level of interoperability. The second linkage function is the master data management function. Master data refers to basic data commonly used in the various systems. This allows one data to be interpreted by various systems and improves interoperability. In addition, accessibility to each data is improved. The third linkage function is the data delivery function. Specifically, it is a function that allows the research data management infrastructure to send and receive data between the connected systems. The data that flows between systems has a common structure of metadata. This feature contributes to improve the reusability and the interoperability of the data. The last linkage function is the function that integrates the metadata that is commonly given and allows you to search in various ways. This last feature is still under development, but once this feature is realized, the findability of data will be improved. Summarizing above contents, we are implementing the system with the aim of realizing a data management platform along the data lifecycle. Once the system we envision is complete, we believe that the data management can meet FAIR principles. Thank you for your attention.